Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and let the world around you fade away. Imagine a place where the sky kisses the sea, where the horizon stretches infinitely, blending the blues of the sky and the ocean into one seamless canvas. Picture turquoise waters that sparkle like 1,000 diamonds under the golden embrace of the sun, each wave a gentle whisper of serenity. In this place, time slows down, measured only by the rhythm of the waves gently caressing the shore, each crash a reminder of nature's timeless dance. Now, open your eyes. You are in the Maldives, a paradise on earth. This archipelago of over 1,000 islands, scattered like emeralds across the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, is a vision of paradise, a dream made real. Each island, a world unto itself, offers a unique blend of beauty and tranquility, a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Each beach, a crescent of pristine white sand, invites you to walk barefoot, feeling the soft grains beneath your feet, grounding you to the earth. The Maldives are an invitation to escape, to reconnect with nature, to rediscover yourself. Here, you can find solitude and peace, a chance to reflect and rejuvenate. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you realize that this is more than just a destination, it's a feeling, a state of mind. Beneath the surface, a vibrant world awaits. Coral reefs teeming with life, colorful fish darting through the water, each moment a testament to the beauty of the natural world. Whether you are seeking adventure or romance, the Maldives offers something for everyone. A candlelit dinner on the beach, the sound of the waves as your backdrop, creates memories that last a lifetime. Indulge in a spa treatment in an overwater bungalow where the gentle lapping of the waves soothes your soul and the view of the endless ocean calms your mind. Immerse yourself in the local culture, where traditional dance and music tell stories of the island's rich heritage and vibrant history. As night falls, look up to a sky filled with stars, the Milky Way stretching across the heavens, reminding you of the vastness of the universe and your place within it. The Maldives is not just a place to visit, but a place to be. A place to find peace, to meditate, to watch the sunrise and feel a sense of renewal with each new day. So close your eyes once more and let the dream of the Maldives wash over you. This is your ocean dream, a paradise waiting to be discovered. Step onto the soft, powdery sand. Feel the gentle caress of each grain as it molds to the shape of your feet, welcoming you to this paradise. Feel its warmth between your toes. It's as if the sand itself is alive, radiating the sun's embrace, inviting you to leave your worries behind. The beaches of the Maldives are legendary. From above, they appear as endless ribbons of white, fringed by the turquoise waters that shimmer like liquid silk. They stretch out before you, endless and inviting. Each step you take along the shore feels like a journey into a dream, where the horizon seems to merge with the sky. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, casting long shadows on the shore. Their leaves rustle softly, creating a soothing melody that harmonizes with the rhythm of the waves. The air is filled with the sound of the waves, a gentle symphony that soothes the soul. Each wave that crashes onto the shore brings with it a sense of peace and tranquility, washing away the stresses of everyday life. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of breathtaking colors. The transition from day to night is a spectacle that captivates the heart and mind. Orange, pink, and purple hues dance across the horizon, painting a masterpiece that will forever be etched in your memory. The beauty of the sunset is a reminder of the simple yet profound wonders of nature. Scattered along the shore, seashells glisten in the fading light, each one a tiny treasure waiting to be discovered. They tell stories of the ocean's depths, of journeys taken and mysteries yet to be unveiled. Couples stroll hand in hand, their footprints leaving a temporary mark on the sand, a testament to their shared moments in this idyllic setting. The beach is not just a place, but a canvas for memories. Children play in the sand, their laughter mingling with the sound of the waves. They build sandcastles, their imaginations running wild, creating kingdoms that will be washed away with the tide, only to be rebuilt again. A hammock sways gently between two palm trees, offering a perfect spot for relaxation. Here, time seems to stand still, and the worries of the world fade into the background. On the horizon, a boat sails gracefully, its silhouette a reminder of the adventures that await beyond the shore. The sea is a vast expanse of possibilities, each wave a new beginning, As night falls, the sky is adorned with countless stars, each one a beacon of light in the darkness. The beach, now bathed in moonlight, takes on a serene and magical quality. A bonfire crackles on the beach, its flames dancing in the night. People gather around, sharing stories and laughter, their faces illuminated by the warm glow. The sense of community and connection is palpable. Savor a refreshing coconut drink, its sweet nectar a perfect complement to the tropical ambience. Each sip is a taste of paradise, a moment of pure bliss. Wrapped in a blanket, a couple watches the stars, their hearts full of wonder and contentment. The night is a tapestry of dreams, each star a wish waiting to come true. The shores of shimmering silk are more than just a destination, they are a sanctuary for the soul, a place where the beauty of nature and the simplicity of life come together in perfect harmony. Pull on your mask, adjust your fins, take a deep breath and plunge into the crystal clear waters. A kaleidoscope of colors awaits. The coral reefs of the Maldives are teeming with life. Intricate formations of coral rise from the seabed, creating an underwater city. Fish, adorned in every color imaginable, dart in and out of the coral branches. Sharks glide gracefully in the distance, while sea turtles paddle leisurely by. The waters of the Maldives are home to an astonishing array of marine creatures. Manta rays, with their wing-like fins, soar through the water like graceful underwater birds. Schools of colorful fish shimmer and dance in unison, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. If you're lucky, you might even spot a whale shark, the gentle giant of the ocean, gliding through the deep. Beyond the beaches and reefs lies another treasure, the Maldivian people. Known for their warm hospitality and gentle nature, they embody the spirit of island life. Their smiles are genuine, their laughter infectious. They welcome visitors with open arms, eager to share their culture and traditions. Engage in conversation, learn about their way of life. You'll discover a deep connection to the ocean that has sustained them for generations. The Maldives boasts a rich cultural heritage, influenced by centuries of seafaring and trade. The islands have been a crossroads of cultures, where East meets West, and this unique blend is reflected in the traditions that have been preserved and cherished over the years. Ancient stories are passed down through generations, whispered on the breeze. These tales, often shared under the starlit sky, speak of legendary heroes, mythical creatures, and the deep connection the Maldivian people have with the ocean that surrounds them. Music and dance play a vital role in Maldivian culture, expressing the rhythms of island life. Traditional dances like the Bodu Beru, performed with energetic drumming and vibrant movements, capture the spirit and vitality of the Maldivian people. These performances are not just entertainment, they are a living expression of history and identity. Traditional crafts woven from natural materials tell stories of the sea and the land. Artisans skillfully create intricate mats, baskets, and other items using techniques passed down through generations. Each piece is a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of the Maldivian people, reflecting their deep respect for nature. Experience the vibrant tapestry of Maldivian culture. Festivals and celebrations are a riot of color and sound, where communities come together to honor their heritage. From the lively music to the elaborate costumes, every element is a celebration of life and tradition. It's a journey that will enrich your understanding of this unique corner of the world. By immersing yourself in the cultural experiences of the Maldives, you gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and spirit of its people. Whether it's through dance, music, storytelling, or crafts, the whispers of tradition invite you to connect with the heart and soul of the Maldives. In the Maldives, life revolves around the rhythm of nature. The islanders live in harmony with the ocean, respecting its power and bounty. They understand that their well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the marine environment. Sustainability is not just a buzzword here. It is a way of life, woven into the fabric of their culture. Section 8. Guardians of a Fragile Eden. The Maldives faces a significant challenge: climate change. Rising sea levels threaten the very existence of these low-lying islands. Yet, the Maldivian people are not passive victims. They are at the forefront of the fight against climate change, implementing innovative solutions to protect their homeland. From building seawalls to pioneering sustainable tourism practices, they are determined to preserve their paradise. Section 9, a call to awareness. Visiting the Maldives is a privilege, not a right. It is a responsibility to tread lightly, to minimize our impact on this fragile ecosystem. Support eco-friendly initiatives, respect local customs, educate yourself about the challenges facing the islands. Be an ambassador for conservation, spreading awareness about the importance of protecting this precious jewel of the Indian Ocean. Section 10, your Maldivian story. Every journey to the Maldives is unique, every encounter, a story waiting to be told. What will your Maldivian story be? Will you lose yourself in the tranquility of a secluded beach? Will you be awestruck by the vibrant marine life? Will you connect with the warmth of the Maldivian people? Embrace the magic of the Maldives. Let it weave its spell around you. Section 11. A paradise preserved. The Maldives. A tapestry of turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and vibrant culture. It is a reminder of the beauty of our planet and the importance of preserving it. Let us tread lightly, respect the delicate balance of nature, and work together to ensure that this paradise remains unspoiled for generations to come. The future of the Maldives, and indeed the planet, depends on it.